a little, about a lot. Everyone wants to go to heaven, but no one wants to die. An important distinction is that rich people buy luxuries last, while the poor and middle class tend to buy luxuries first. It is that same fear, the fear of ostracism, that causes people to conform and not question commonly accepted opinions or popular trends. Rich Dad thought it best to go broke before 30. You still have time to recover. When it comes to money, the only skill most people know is to work hard. One of the reasons the rich get richer, the poor get poorer, and the middle class struggles in debt is because the subject of money is taught at home, not in school. Most of us learn about money from our parents. So what can a poor parent tell their child about money? They simply say, stay in school and study hard. The child may graduate with excellent grades, but with a poor person's financial programming and mindset, it was learned while the child was young. The fear of being different prevents most people from seeking new ways to solve their problems. Once government got a taste of money, the appetite grew. Some people are terrified of snakes. Some people are terrified about losing money. Proper physical exercise increases your chances of health, and proper mental exercise increases your chances for wealth. Laziness decreases both health and wealth. Proper physical exercise increases your chances of health, and proper mental exercise increases your chances for wealth. Laziness decreases both health and wealth. The hatred of money is generally a subconscious attempt to alleviate the pain of being broke or poor. Wealth is a person's ability to survive so many number of days forward, or if I stopped working today, how long could I survive? Whenever you feel short or in need of something, give what you want first and it will come back in buckets. That is true for money, a smile, love, friendship. I know it is often the last thing a person may want to do, but it has always worked for me. I just trust that the principle of reciprocity is true, and I give what I want. Incomparable leadership skills. According to Kiyosaki, the money does not really go to the companies with the best products in the market. It goes to the company with the best leaders. Always try to develop your physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual capabilities in order to lead your business to its success. Thanks for watching.